What's going on, everybody? Travis Witherspoon from Carter Cow Capital here, helping you fight for your financial freedom throughout the Forex market. This is probably the best set file that I've ever created. This is based off of the FX Striker Max. It's going to end up being on XBX 500. If you're not familiar with XBX 500, it's basically an indice. And obviously, I love being able to trade indice trading when it comes down to automation trading because it allows you to be able to get into the market when the market is going very fast and you don't necessarily have to be able to worry about it. So what I end up doing, basically placing in the settings and being able to go from there. Remember, this system is set up to be able to trade crossovers in trending settings and be able to break breakouts when the market is in consolidation. I'm getting ready to run this system right now so you can be able to see how well it ends up doing. This is based off of the last 6 months, so we started this back off in October and actually ended it off on 4/15. Happy Easter to everyone as we end up going through this. But the one thing that I end up saying about automation systems more than anything else is that it is very important that you need to find something that will create or generate passive income without you having to be there. And if you can be able to find something that can be able to trade 80% of what you end up doing, and be able to perform or outperform you when it comes down to that, you have to be able to have that be able to trade for you. Reason being is because that everybody has 24 hours out of the day. Instead of being able to just focus on the chart, so you can have something that can be able to trade for you and be able to do it for you while you end up doing life and everything else like that and still outperform you, then it's a no-brainer. So what I'm going to do is take myself off the screen when it comes down to this. I started off with a $10,000 account, ended up going to $18,143, talking about 80% overall growth when it comes down to the account. But more importantly, let's take a look at the numbers. It has a 3.42 profit factor. And anytime that you end up going over 1.5 is amazing when it comes down to being able to create a profit factor. This is over the course of the last 6 months. Just suspect what it's going to end up doing by the rest of the year. It has a less than 10% drawdown. It ended up winning 92% of its short trades and 84% of its long trades and 88% of its trades overall. I'm a career 45% trader when it comes down to swing trades overall when it comes down to any market. So this thing is outpacing me, and quite frankly, I don't have to be in front of it. All I have to do is click on auto trading, and then after that, let it go. If you're interested in being able to learn a little bit more about this system and all of the other trading platforms that we end up having with FX Striker Max, please make sure that you end up messaging me in this video or go to cartercowcapital.com/start here or cartercowcapital.com/FX Striker to be able to learn a little bit more information.